Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create a line chart in Excel step by step. Here, I have monthly sales numbers from January to December. You can see the months and the sales values. Now, let's create the chart. Step 1. Select the entire data, including both columns. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Step 3. Under the Charts group, click on Line Chart and choose a simple 2D line. That's it. Excel will instantly create a line chart showing your sales trend across all 12 months. If you look at the chart, you can clearly see how the sales are moving. For example, in January, sales start at around 1200. Then they slowly rise in February and March. In April, sales drop a little, but again they increase in May and June. From July to September, sales remain stable, and then from October to December, they rise sharply and reach the highest point in December, which is 2800. This is the power of a line chart. It helps you visualize trends over time instead of just looking at numbers in a table. You can also customize the chart. For example, you can add the axis and rename it and add chart titles as sales by month, change colors, or even add data labels to make it more clear. Add the chart design. So, with just a few clicks, you have converted a simple table into a powerful visual chart that explains your data in seconds. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thank you for watching.